Christian.
Yes, sir.
I give you mad props.
For what?
It's mad props.
Carrying your crops.
No, mad props.
Oh. I see what you did.
You like that, don't you? Okay, we're in an elevator, and Christian's carrying this ridiculously awkward and heavy trolling motor. All right.
You can go ahead.
Yeah? All right, okay, here we go. Yeah, so if you ever see this thing outside of a hotel room at the Hadley House, you know Watch Your Lip is in the house full of bacon chum. All right, right on over here. Here we go. Let's see. Hey, beautiful.
Hi, honey.
Hadley House coming at you.
Yay.
Josh, you ready for Hadley House? Yeah. So Hadley House. Let me get some nice video. Oh, yeah. Just in case we want to do another how-to video.
Yeah, we've always been on the corner. The walls are different.
You know what you're doing with that?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's a treble hook for?
Bro, it was right next to my face.
What's the treble hook for?
And it was loose.
Oh, we gotta fix that, dude. Hey, our annoying neighbors are knocking. Oh my god, they're not annoying. Oh my goodness.
How do we keep this unlocked?
How do we keep it unlocked? We have joint rooms. What's up? Is this dream come true stuff or what? Let's see. This is the joint room. Oh, nice too. That's a nice
Come see the view.
good view. Okay. Let's see what we got. Lucas. What's up, Lucas? Oh, nice. Good view, dude. Let me see. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I like it. There's a frigate. Frigate bird. It's a frigate bird. Dolphin. Captain Matthew backing it down, baby. Oh man, I like that. Hit the gas. Trying not to spill his key lime pie. Here we go. It's all right. Lorenzo, watch that back engine over there. All right. Let's see how this goes here. I've had issues getting up this ramp in the past. It's high tide now, so it shouldn't be much of a problem. George is gonna give it the old watch your lip try. Oh yeah. Let's go. Heard that Lorenzo has a tarpon on.
Sorry guys, gonna see you first.
Lorenzo's got a tarpon. Before we can even start. What'd you get him on?
A dead pilchard.
Dead pilchard?
Yeah. Okay,
Oh, that's a big one!
He's still green.
That's a big guy, holy cow. That's a big guy!
No. Tarpon or no?
I got him.
I think that qualifies as a land, son.
It does.
Okay.
Oh, good job. Did you just pop?
Yeah.
Oh. Samuel, I think I got video evidence of a tarpon. All right, Josh is reeling a fish. He's coming in.
Oh, no.
Oh.
He's dead, Josh. Let me find you.
Keep it going,
It's fine. All right, go. Oh, there's another one with it. Let me see your bait. Leave it in the water. Let's go, Josh. Leave it in the water. I got it. No, leave it. No. Oh!
Hold on. Oh, you just took it. He took the bait.
Yeah. One sec. No.
Oh, you flipped him.
Cat's right here.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, he's still there.
Hey, Joshy.
Joshy, good job, buddy.
That's harping.
You can't do that.
Oh, here, give me the rod. Give it to me. Here we go.
I can't do that. Yes, you do.
Come on, Cammy. Rail.
Hold it up here.
Okay, come up to the front.
Yes.
All right.
I'm not gonna get cooked this time.
No, no hooks. Let's go. Tammy's reeling a tarpon.
Bring me the thing.
Why don't you walk them up to where people stand? Walk them over to the boat. Hold them tight. Hold them tight. Hold them tight. Hold them tight. Pull them up. Pull them up. Let's go. Let's go. Come here, Cammy. Get in here. Come up. Come up. Come up. Awesome.
Are you ready?
All right, ready? Let's get a good honor release. Honor release. Honor release. Okay, there he goes. Let's go.
Ooh, that's a cool shell, no? Here, let me see that one.
Are you gonna do it?
That's my son screaming like that. You guys hear him? Do you hear Lorenzo screaming?
Rebecca, I want one of those.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see that. We need some weight. What do you think about this boating thing, honey?
I don't know. Lorenzo, be careful!
Yeah. That's my little Spanish boy. So weight distribution is important when using. Monica, you were gonna jump in?
I was about to take my shirt off and jump in too! And rescue George!
Wait till
I wouldn't have made it on the ground though.
Yeah, that's. It's not working.
That's so cool though.
Roger, what? What's that?
It's not working.
It's not. It's. Look at it. No, it's not supposed to do that. All right. They left some of their riders way out in the ocean.
Are you guys gonna say goodbye? No. No. They wanted to jump off.
They wanted to jump, waste everybody's time. They get to walk in. They can walk in.
What do we do? Jump on the boat.
What did you do?
All right, guys. The women are going to make their appearance. All right, women. Hey, guys, say hi to the tiger shark for me.
Hold my hand.
It's about time for that nav light.
Pull up!
All right, guys, mosquitoes are out. Hadley House at night, everything's peaceful. Kind of, we have a room full of kids, but about 9:30, we've caught a couple dock tarpon already, which is kind of cool. Had 3 or 4 of them on, but landed 2. So Tony's boat delivered, Mission Fishing, great organization. You want to check that out. Tony Davis is a guy who has a heart for families with special need kids. And he's got an organization called Mission Fishing. He takes special needs kids fishing and their families, first responders, all kinds of stuff. They have all kinds of events going on. And if you want to get involved either on a trip, because you know somebody with a special needs kid that wants to be blessed, check out missionfishing.com. Links in our description. You got to check him out on Instagram. He's on Instagram. And great guy, great cause. And if you want to serve at Mission Fishing, that would be a great thing to do. Contact Tony Davis at Mission Fishing. And you can either, give financially to support that cause, or you can, if you have a boat, you want to charter, or not charter, but if you have a boat, you want to take family out in one of their events, you can serve in that way as well. So guys, we're letting the boat charging the deep cycle batteries, and we're gonna head out like 2 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna try and get out to the reef, anchor up, see if we can get some spawning mangroves and yellowtail snapper. We got a bunch of chum, got fresh pilchards. We're ready to go. Watch your lip.